جا که باشی، اگه پایین اگه بالا، ممکنه جامون عوض شه، دیر و زود فردا یا حالا. زندگی پس زندگی کن، نگو سخته نگو دیره، بگی ساده است ساده میشه، بگی سخته سخت میگیره. دنیا دور از دار و نداره، آدم و میگرده میگرده، دیروز امروز فردا دنیا با ما بی ما میگرده میگرده. زندگی یعنی همین که اگه داری یا نداری، حق تو بگیری اما حق و زیر پا نذاری. زندگی یعنی همین که اگه قهریم اگه آشتی با تو باشم، اگه داشتم بمونم اگه نداشتی. دنیا دور از دار و نداره، آدم و میگرده میگرده، امروز فردا دنیا با ما بی ما میگرده میگرده.
We've gone to every bank, non-interest loan companies and loaning institutes in Tehran. Man, it's useless. Useless, useless. Taking out a loan is not as easy as you think. We're just wasting our time. We're just wandering around for no good reason at all.
I totally agree with you. In my opinion, it takes 3 years to take out a bank loan, and that is if they give to you or not. I say, in my opinion, we don't have a choice but to put one of the houses up for rent.
Father, don't even think about it, you know. I have a better idea.
What is it?
It's not that necessary to rent a place uptown. We'll find one downtown.
Didn't you say that no one would call for a nurse or one to have their houses cleaned down there yesterday?
First of all, that was yesterday, and I'm saying this today. People change their ideas every day. By the way, I didn't say all that way downtown. I meant downtown.
The prices are very different between the two.
You mean the price of a person's house that lives on the top floor of a tall building is the same as our house? If so, then we should sell our house to live in a tall building. Don't you agree?
What do you mean? Why do you keep repeating yourself?
Repeating what?
The things you keep on saying to me. Over and over again and again.
You should be ashamed of yourself. I'm right here and I thought you meant the same thing.
First of all, you don't know what you heard because you're too far from us. Secondly, you're sending out negative and dead vibe to Father. Thirdly, Father, what I meant was, if you look more, we can find a place. Why are you saying these
All right,
things?
forget about it. We have to look for a house.
Uncle Siroos, it's not like a walk in the park. We have to search for one until we find one.
We've walked so much I feel dizzy.
It is. The
It's that
latest
guy
films.
again.
Buy the latest films. You want to buy the latest films, gentlemen?
Old man, we're the ones from yesterday. Don't you recognize us?
I don't pay attention to people. I just sell the latest films. The latest films.
Old man, this is the guy who gave you food, a sandwich, yesterday. Do you remember?
Thank you very much. You got anything for me to eat now?
You want something to eat from us now? Please, leave us alone. Can't you see we're resting here? Leave us alone now.
Oh my God. Oh God, Father, I can't walk anymore. I'm sorry. Oh, please.
I have to apologize to you, son. I've never walked as much as I walk today in my whole life.
As you know, it's good for you. You have so much extra weight. Walking is good for you.
Boy, why are you such an idiot? Just because I said I'm sorry, son, doesn't mean you can talk nonsense.
What do you mean nonsense, Father? I was just saying...
Oh, God, why is he sleeping here again? Rahman, get up and get out of here. This is no time to be sleeping. Leila? Layla!
Look, while you were sitting under the cooler, we were out searching everywhere. All the banks in the city. We're retired.
And does you know Father is against taking a taxi anyway, Mother?
What? Did you expect us to take a taxi from one agency to another for simply 100 meters?
He's right, okay?
Get up. Get up for now. Dust yourself off. Dinner's ready. Get up already.
Tala, come on. Let us rest a little.
He's right, okay? You know...
Put your feet away. He died. What did you do, Father? Did you get the loan?
No, we didn't get it. We did everything, but it was useless.
Well, what are we going to do now?
I don't know. I think there's nothing we can do but to live with your aunt and her family.
Oh, great. That's just great, Father.
Did you say great? I'd rather spend time in prison than live with Auntie under the same roof. When I found out that she's going to be with us in the company, well, I wanted to break my head. Look, we'll come up with the money somehow.
Enough, enough. How are we going to find the money?
Father, we'll come up with the money with a loan or something.
Don't talk we. There's no we. You're on your own. Come on, get out of here.
Enough, boy. Why are you talking such a rude way? You make it sound as if your poor auntie is a monster.
A monster's much better, Mother. You know, be careful when you open the door, man.
Don't sit behind the door.
Tala, why are you even listening to the kids' nonsense? Get up and go and call your sister and tell her to put the house up for rent and come and live with us. We'd be more than happy to have them.
Father, Mother, hang on a minute. Sit down. Come on, forget about doing that. We'll find another job to do. I was wrong to suggest setting up a company, okay? Please understand. Ow!
Tala, why are you
Oh,
sitting...
stop it now.
Go and give her a call.
No, don't call her, Father. You've done some exercise. You're tired. Your heart's beating fast. You're stressed out. You don't know what you're saying. You keep telling her to get up and give her a call.
Son, look, today I apologize to you, but you didn't understand it at all. You absolute idiot. Get out! Get out!
What's going on, Father?
What happened, Rahman?
Tala, I told him I was sorry today, but he's taking advantage.
Father, I didn't mean to disrespect you. If you do this, I'll leave the house, I promise.
Go on, Mini Marco Polo. Go on.
Father, why did you call him Mini Marco Polo?
Honey, Marco Polo was a universal traveler, but this boy is Tehran's hobo. Tala, go call your sister.
Come on, wait, to the right, Come on, don't be afraid, great, stop right there.
Kayvan, call Auntie.
Auntie?
Hey,
Auntie?
Kayvan, call my auntie. Call your mother. I don't know how you got to university.
Mom.
Hey, why are you calling your aunt?
Well, she has to come and see which one she needs and which she doesn't. We don't want to bring them all in.
Yeah, we do. She wants all of them. We don't have anything for sale. We've sold the couches. Bring them all down.
Uncle Siroos, think more logically. Where are we going to put these? We don't have any room.
Look, leave him alone. Put them all on the roof.
Did you bring the stuff?
Auntie, why are you asking? Can't you see that we bought everything?
All right, bring them down and put them in the stairway.
Why put them on the stairway?
Where else?
Rahman told us to put them on the rooftop for him. That's all.
The rooftop? No, not there. We've been cleaning the rooftop all morning for the men.
What do you mean for the men?
For them to live there. Since the number of the women is more, we'll be living downstairs. The men will go upstairs.
Mother, a cat wouldn't give birth up there, and you expect me to take Father's hand and live on the rooftop? Why don't you respect us?
Don't make a scene. It's not only for Rahman, it's for all men. And it's only for a year. You won't be up there all day. You'll wake up in the morning and go to work. You'll sleep on the rooftops at nights. That's it.
Auntie, first of all, my father has sensitive skin, and I won't sleep there in a million years. I'll sleep in the jungle.
Stop arguing with me. Come on, go on. Put everything that's useful in the stairway and take the ones that are useless with the garbage upstairs onto the rooftop.
Tala, it's going to be winter soon. We'll freeze up there.
We've thought of that too. We'll cover the entire rooftop with plastic and we'll give you extra blankets. Come on, go and help out. Sister, let's go inside. We have a lot of work to do.
You don't need to listen to your mum. Father, I told you I didn't want to be housemates with them and to put our house up for rent so we won't go through all of this trouble.
Stop nagging so much. Look, thank God we didn't listen to you, otherwise we'd have to put up a tent in the street. I shouldn't have sold the couches. Don't whisper in his ear now.
Why are you laughing?
Unload the rest of the stuff.
Did you understand what
Listen, he's a very rude boy. Don't you let him whisper in your ear, do you understand?
Okay.
Don't forget that you have to teach him some manners.
He's the best.
Hello. Rajan, Auntie said not to take the food upstairs with you by mistake. Put them downstairs, all right?
Don't disturb
let me
us
hold
now.
my precious little grandson.
Take this.
Uncle Siroos, unload the rest of the stuff until I come back from the wife.
Take this. They're too lazy to help.
Auntie! Mom! Mummy?
What's going on?
Not you, Mother. Mummy, Mom, Auntie, Mom, Mum, Mummy,
Oh, for goodness sake, what's
Mom.
the matter with you?
Mom.
What's going on?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
We're supposed to live here.
Yes, what's wrong with it?
What's wrong with it?
Ah! What have you got there?
Mother, there are cockroaches up here. How can you expect us to live here? Scientists say when an atomic bomb explodes, the only creatures that will survive are cockroaches. But they've died up here. How could you expect us to live up here, huh? How could you expect us to live here?
Ah! What's the matter with you? Stupid, I told you have to clean it up a little. Well, you can put some cement in the holes to stop the cockroaches from coming out.
Yeah, we'll do that, but I'm going to go and sleep in my own room.
Your room is Auntie and Mazier's room now, Bijan.
No way.
You heard her.
You don't believe her? I'll stop you from coming in.
Okay, if that's how it's going to be, then I'll go sleep in the office.
What office then?
Rent the office first, then you can sleep in it.
If you don't hurry, you'll lose your spot there too, and then you'll have to sleep in the yard next to the garden and stuff like that.
Anyway, I'm not sleeping over here.
Well, you know, he's probably right, Mom. Just have a look at this hole. You might not believe me, but we're not safe out here. The neighbors can see us.
Like they said in the past, eat bread and cheese for a year, eat rice and kebab for a lifetime. Hang in there, kids. It's only for a year.
Oh no, how could you say that? If we sleep here for a year, we'll have to spend the rest of our lives in a hospital, that's what.
I don't know. There are 2 rooms in this house. One of them is ours and the other one is theirs. Go ahead and sleep anywhere you like, you want in the building, and that's final.
That's final. Can't believe it. We really have to sleep out here?
I really don't know what to say, Uncle Siroos. My brain's not functioning anymore. I say you go and help my dad bring the stuff until I find a solution, you know? I have to think of something. Why are you standing there? Hurry, go and get the things. Come on, go and get the things already. Come on.
Try to be more polite, please.
I didn't say anything bad. Not at all, in fact. I said I'll go and get the things, you know?
Can you behave?
Ah. You see? I'll show him, of course.
Rahman thinks he's raised such a great son. What was that?
We're going through all this hell just to present the society with a university student?
Don't make it sound like your sister got the highest grade in the governmental university exam.
Look, you're stupid. Don't compare yourself to her.
Bijan, what are you doing?
Go to sleep.
Why here?
Where else?
We have to move it.
You want to sleep over there? You'll be right in front
This
of the
whole
entrance,
place
Father.
is an entrance. Get out of the
I
way.
know, Father, but you should sleep in the middle because it's safer.
What did you say?
I mean, it's safer. One person on this side, another on
Rahman,
that.
Come on,
Rahman.
get out of my way.
I want to
boy.
tell you something before you lie down. I'm used to sleeping on one side of the mattress. Let me sleep over there.
Man, this entire place is full of corners and sides. Why don't you go and sleep over there at the door?
No problem. But they say that a guest is a friend of the landlord. No problem. But, you know, I have problems with my sinuses if a strong wind blows. I won't be able to wake up in the morning.
Actually, Uncle Siroos, it's much worse over here because if, God forbid, someone opens the fridge, a freezing cold wind will blow into your face and it'll destroy your sinuses for good. I think it's better if Father sleeps here and I sleep here and you sleep next to me and Kavan can sleep in the middle over there. This is the best way, you know.
I can't sleep over here.
Auntie, this is the men's section.
Ehsan, come over here.
Who's Ehsan? What are you doing? Why'd you bring him here?
So we can sleep here.
Come on. Throw the kid in any corner of the room, will you?
He's right. Come on, downstairs.
He doesn't want to sleep there. What's
Come
your
on,
problem?
everyone's complaining. I'm not the only one.
This child's going to enter the society soon, so he sleeps in the men's section to learn to be a man.
Oh, come on. Is everyone a man in this house tonight?
Dear God, please kill me. We don't have enough room to sleep in ourselves. He's not going to enter society anytime soon.
God forbid, Rahman, don't talk like that. Anna, we're doing our best to live like this for 1 year. Let him sleep inside for 1 year. I love you, son. Go to sleep downstairs, son.
Ehsan, come sleep over here.
I can't believe it.
Siroos, your wife is going to make me kill myself tonight. What are you doing?
Please let me stay.
Make some room.
So unfair.
Get out of here. Make some room. Move it.
Okay, look out.
Hey!
Move out.
All right,
Move
okay.
out. Away. Move out. Move out. Rahman, please let me sleep over there. You can sleep over here. Bravo. Bravo. I'm sorry that I put you into trouble. Thank you. Ow! A little bit more. Just a little bit.
Come on, get out. Get out of here. Get out.
Come on. Sorry. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry.
Ow!
Sorry, Bishop.
Dad.
Yes, son.
I'm hungry.
Go and eat something very quietly over there. Careful not to step on anyone, okay? Watch it. Get up. Be careful not to fall on them.
Okay,
Pay
Dad.
attention now.
Oh. Who's there? What are you doing, huh?
I'm hungry.
What? Are you an eating machine? Come on, go on. Go.
Oh, come on, Ehsan. Are you going to eat again?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you, boy?
I'm used to eating snacks at night, and my dad's used to going to the bathroom.
Okay, go. Oh. Okay. He has to sleep in here with his dad.
No, don't get up. Ehsan went to the bathroom. Stay there.
Oh, man. I hate going to the bathroom in this house, you know.
Stop nagging. You should wake up a bit earlier.
It's quiet at 6 or 6:30.
You really think you're funny, aren't you? You want me to beat the hell out of
Behave
you?
yourselves.
Watch out.
Oh? You guys are still sleeping? Get up, you lazy bones. Breakfast's ready.
Look, Tala, they didn't let me sleep last night. Siroos and his little boy thought they were in a highway. They kept coming and going. They were so careful not to wake anyone, but it didn't work. And Mariam kept going up and down with the kid.
Okay, Father, stop nagging. You wanted to sleep in the stairway. Take it.
Yes, that's absolutely right. I told you the stairway's going to be crowded in the morning and that you couldn't sleep there.
Auntie, but it's freezing on the rooftop.
It's cold, it's hot, there's no room. You have to cope with it all. If you think you can take those rooms away from us, you're damn wrong.
Okay, Auntie, you can sleep here and give that room to us.
It's too small for us. Don't even think about it.
Like they said in the past, eat bread and cheese for a year, eat rice and kebab for a
Mom,
lifetime.
honestly, you're just making us sick with using that saying all the time. Honestly, I'm just sick of it.
Get out of here before I smack you. You're making me sick. I'm feeling sick. Come here and take this from me. Idiot.
Aunt Tala, I think actually the backyard's good for the men to sleep in.
She's right. Get up and go clean it up. Clear it out and prepare it for them.
What are we going to do with the stuff up there, then?
The stairway.
Well, how are we going to use the stairway, then?
With difficulty.
With difficulty? I don't know.
What were you doing in there for a whole hour?
What do people normally do in there? Don't get up. It's full.
Who went in?
My dad went in there.
Oh. Jules just outsmarted me. I can't trust anyone in this house.
Hey, watch your mouth.
This is your fault, you idiot.
How's it my fault?
If you'd gotten into university, we wouldn't have to live like this.
Hey.
It's true.
Get up. Get out of here. Get up. Get out of here. Get lost. Get lost. Ah! 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 Ah!
Look at this, Father. You should have let us sell all of these the other day. What are we supposed to do with them now?
Stop talking nonsense. Siroos, I don't want to make you feel uncomfortable. But when I found out you guys were going to live here, I sold even the best things we had for a low price just to make room for you.
I know what a great man you are. I understand.
This is not the time for you to sit here and talk. Like my sister said, eat bread and kebab for a year, eat rice and cheese for a lifetime.
Auntie, it's cheese first, then it's kebab.
Oh, what's the difference? Don't correct me. It's the meaning that counts. Listen, guys, can you please clean this place up and tidy it up a little?
Yes, we
It's
can.
a good place for you to sleep in.
You know, Rahman, I know it's too late now. But I wish you guys had come and lived at our house.
My friend, our place is 10 times bigger than your house. You always come here whenever you're feeling bored.
We have a yard. We have a life.
You know, Uncle Rahman, this place is just too untidy.
Stop talking now. Stop talking. We'll roll up our sleeves and clean it up in a jiffy, won't we? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Mother called me.
I didn't hear anything.
You.
Yes, Mother.
No one called you.
No one
Get back
called
here.
you.
Don't be so sly. We're going to clean the place. Come
You know
on.
what?
Get back here. Don't be sly. Huh?
Look, I know
What?
I know I told you a cat wouldn't give birth up there, but at least it would live up there. I know that for sure.
I'm totally confused about what you're saying. You know what? I can't get my mind off why, in the first place, I sold those couches.
Wait a second, Siroos, please. Didn't you say you didn't want to live on the rooftop and that a sheep wouldn't lay eggs up there?
Father, I said a cat, and it's you I'm worried about. Your skin's sensitive. You'll get rashes up there. It might not be the best place to live, but at least, well, it has a view as well. You'll enjoy that, won't you?
Exactly. If we hadn't sold the couches, we could have put them up there and enjoyed the view that you're talking about.
Man, stop with the couches already. Listen, we'll go and clean the rooftop up and prepare it and sleep on it. The people who don't want to sleep up there can sleep in the alley. High five, if you're in.
Rahman, you know, you are the man. I love you.
You might not believe me, but I'm in as well.
Well, I'm in too.
Oh, why do you shake on it like a tiger? Behave
Yeah, what's the
yourself,
matter
for
with you?
goodness
You've been
sakes.
talking about tigers, lions, and cats and leopards ever since you got here.
There's no
All right,
way to
then.
shake on it, though.
Let's go, let's go.
Oh, my hand.
Come on, let's
I'm
go.
angry with you.
Come
Go
on.
on now.
Come on,
my
let's
hand
go.
hurts.
Bijan, when you're done cleaning this place up, sweep it too. Amin, throw it out.
Are you sure you got along well with your family before us?
You're not funny, you know.
Watch your mouth.
Yes?
Where are you going?
Somebody called
No
me,
one
didn't you hear
called
it?
you. Come over here.
No, but I keep feeling as soon as I want to start working, someone somewhere needs my help. It's, you know...
No, dude, you're wrong. Go on, do your work.
Somebody called me.
No, man, you're hallucinating. Here. Get back to work.
Yes, yes, I'm coming. You see, somebody's calling me, okay? I must go. Bye.
Hey, where?
Careful.
When you're done, fix this too so you can finish up faster.
If we used instant plaster, we wouldn't go through all this trouble, you know.
Instant plasters for decorative uses. Regular plasters used in cases like this.
Yeah, you're more than a pretty boy, aren't you?
All right. Here you go, pal. Take this upstairs with you. Here. Go on. Hey! Brother, what are you doing?
I'm sorry, man. No one lived here before.
Listen, dude, from now on we're going to be living over here, okay?
All right, I'm sorry. Okay.
Thanks a lot.
All right.
Is this place a public bath?
No, it's NSA. Remember that tsunami? It happened right outside our house.
I'm serious. Stop fooling around with me. I'm being serious.
It's a public bath. Did you see the guy?
Oh.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Yeah, it's a public bath.
Hey, don't do that. Stupid. Sorry, sir. As you were. It's all your fault.
What have I done, then?
What more do you want to do, huh?
It's the smell from the public bath.
I know it is.
Go to sleep. What's wrong with you?
If you'd gotten into a public university, we wouldn't live like hobos now. Your father would have had his shop, I would have been doing my job, and my father would have been working as a cab driver.
What do you mean? You mean if I'd gotten into a public university, your father's car wouldn't have been stolen, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, look, I don't like it when you're right, understood? Now don't talk back to me.
So God help me if you slap me in the face again.
Well, I like slapping you, so what you going to do?
Go to sleep now. What's wrong with you? Come on. Huh?
It was a mosquito.
Oh, don't move. It's a mosquito.
Oh. Did you get it?
Let me see. No, I didn't.
No, it's dead.
Oh.
Go to sleep. Go. Save yourself. Go to sleep now. Go to sleep.
Go downstairs. Hey, man, I'm going to get you.
Just get up. Sleep in there. Go on. Go to sleep downstairs. Go on. Get into the yard. Go on. I've had enough of you two. Ridiculous behaviour.
Kayvan, I'm going to get you.
You asked for it. You happy now?
It's your fault. You kept joking around.
You always blame me for everything.
I'm going to say something to you that'll blow your head off.
Like what?
Like you're really stupid.
I'm stupid, or are you?
You really don't know that you're in fact stupid yet? Huh?
You're starting to tick me off.
Hey! What's wrong with you two? You're waking everyone up. Go to sleep, please.
You see, Kayvan? I told you not to make any noise. You're going to wake everyone up. Now Auntie's angry. I'm sorry, Auntie.
He's lying, Mother. He's the one who woke you.
I told you to drop your hand when talking to me. You got it. You're talking a lot of nonsense. Huh?
Are you two stupid idiots going to go to sleep, or shall I call the cops?
Oh. Why did you pull the blanket on yourself?
What?
Why'd you pull the blanket off me?
I didn't do that.
You didn't?
No.
I saw you doing it.
The sheet which you tore is yours, and you'll have to explain why you did it tomorrow.
You've got some nerve. You've got the blanket and the mattress.
Look, stop arguing with me in the middle of the night, okay?
You're talking a lot of nonsense. You know that.
Me? I'm going to break your neck if you don't stop. You brought this whole thing upon us. You got it? You got it? Cut it out now.
Hey! I'm going to punch you in the eye.
He was joking, Auntie. Are you okay? Are you feeling better?
Get out.
Get out of here.
She meant you.
She's talking to you, you know. Get out.
Both of you, out.
Why do you want to go to university?
Hello, BG.
Well, hello, unemployed Akbar.
How are you? Why are you sitting outside?
Kayvan and I had a lot to eat. We thought fresh air would do us good. You're still unemployed, right?
Unemployed, free and happy.
Are you free late at midnight too?
When you're jobless, it doesn't matter whether it's day or night.
So you really are jobless, eh? Very jobless.
Yeah.
I found a job. Did I tell you about it?
No, you didn't.
Why didn't you remind me to tell him?
What?
The job I told you about. Why didn't you remind me to tell him?
What job?
Man, forget it. Well, why don't I tell you now, then?
Yeah.
There's this job you got at your place.
I'm going out now.
Really? Can we come?
No, my friends don't like strangers.
We'll make friends with them.
They'll run away.
Okay.
Okay, I'm off now. I'm late. People don't wrap themselves in a blanket in fresh air. Have some pistachios, Bijan. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Take care. Take care.
Goodbye.
Well, thanks a lot.
Were your eyes closed, or did you shut your eyes when you saw the pistachios?
Well, just give me some. Come on.
Don't humiliate yourself. This is why you didn't get into university. I don't know how he eats pistachios without having a job. I hope he didn't steal it.
Bravo.
Hey.
Hey, what? It's my bread.
It's my bread. You took it from me.
Are you calling me a thief?
Tell me if you want bread. I'll bring it for you.
She's absolutely right. Why are you eating like that?
Mother, I'm off. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
Oh, come on. Stay and have something.
Mother, I'm late. I don't want to be late on my first day, of course. So goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
You see? It's her first day and she's stressed out, but you're here sitting having breakfast, huh?
Man, why are you picking on me? I don't have class today. Why have you been hitting me since last night?
I didn't hit you yet.
What's the matter with you two? You've been acting like cat and mouse ever since last night.
Father, if he had a little manners, just a little manners, I wouldn't have picked on him.
I know why they've become so wild, because they're unemployed. When are you going to finally set up the company?
Well, it's finally over. We'll go and find a good office today and rent it, and then we'll start working. Move your foot, please.
Oh, she's the normal one, the daughter-in-law.
Father, do you want me and Marzier to go with you?
No, I have to do it myself.
Father, you haven't done anything for 2 weeks now. She's right. You've been walking around doing nothing for 2 weeks.
Stop talking.
It's okay. Sweetheart. We were trying to take out a loan for a few days, but we couldn't, so So now we're looking for an office, somewhere we can afford.
Apart from all this, are you or are you not going to open the company by the end of the week?
God willing, yes. You two, let's get moving. We have to find an office, no matter what it takes.
Father, you just got caught up in the heat of the moment. No real estate agencies open at 7 in the morning.
Well, it'll be 9 by the time you get dressed. Start Siroos' motorcycle and get to the street. Get up.
It only takes us 10 minutes to get ready. We're not women to take that long.
Look, when I tell you to get up, you just get up.
Bijan, I'm talking to you.
Yes, Mother.
Don't listen to him. Finish up your breakfast.
I can't eat while I'm humiliated and hurt. Give him a pill or something, Mother.
Forgive him, my boy. Finish up.
I can't cut it out. I can't go on like this anymore. I don't like it when he shouts at me. Wow, you eat like a vulture. Enough, man. Come on.
My stomach stretches like a sock.
Bijan! Bijan, where are you? What's taking you so long? Bijan?
Yes, Father.
Oh, you've kept us waiting for an hour. Why did you have to go there now?
What now?
You have to go for an hour?
I had work to do.
Come on, let's go.
Why are you angry, Father? Every time I wanted to go, someone went in.
Did you
Get on,
fix
guys.
it?
It's getting late. Let's go. Where's Kayvan?
Auntie wants to go shopping, so she told him to stay home. Father, can you scooch over? Hey! I haven't gotten on yet. Can't you see that?
You're not supposed to get on. I've been working on it for 2 days and can only handle one person, not more.
So what am I supposed to do?
Take a taxi, I don't know.
No, you take the bus.
The bus? So why did you wait for me all this time, then?
Don't talk back to me. Listen to me.
Father, I asked a question. I didn't talk back. Come on.
You did it again. Move it.
How's it going, Bijan?
Well, Brother Akbar,
Good.
how are you? Still unemployed?
Unemployed, free and happy.
You want to go for a ride?
Let's go.
My father and uncle just went for a ride.
Yeah,
Come, let's
take
follow
this
them.
and wear it on your head. What was that? Thief! Thief! Askan! Mahmoud! Get up! There's a burglar in the house! Scissors! Scissors!
What?
Ah!
What's wrong? Why screaming burglar?
Oh, it's you. I thought it was a burglar.
We don't have one thing that a burglar would steal here, you know?
Well, I just got really scared and... Hello?
Hello. What's
Hello.
going on here?
Nothing. We were killing ourselves going from one real estate agency to another all day. While he was sleeping, and now he's calling us burglars.
Why you keep picking on this poor boy?
Rahman, this is me respecting you and not hitting Kayvan. You understand?
I'm paying you not to beat him up, Uncle Siroos.
Hey, you saw me. You witness. I just warned him. The house is quiet, son. Where's everyone?
I don't know. They went to the neighbor's house for a sermon.
Now that's a good boy. Now give me the scissors and go and get us some tea, please. Go on.
Oh, Father, I've been tidying this place all day. I'm dead tired.
Shame on you for not listening to me. Get up and go right away now. What?
Hey, Siroos, are you mad? Can't you talk better with your son? That's no way to talk to your son. Sweetheart, please go and get us some tea.
Move it, boy.
Tired. What's wrong with you?
Hey, don't nag when you're doing something nice for us.
It's really good that you've never raised your hand on him, you know? Very, very good.
See? He's just like your son. He's no different to him.
Father, if you're trying to calm Uncle Siroos down, why are you humiliating me?
There you go. Where's our tea?
Father, this isn't a coffee house. I just turned the stove on, that's all.
You turned the stove on with the kettle on, right?
So you're a kettle expert. What happened to the company?
It's none of your business. Why do you stick your nose in things that aren't your business?
Guys, what's wrong with you? Why won't you just answer him when he asks a question? Why do you talk to him like that? No, sweetheart, no office.
Why not?
We can't rent a place with the money we have.
I mean, we can't rent a place with 23 million deposit and some monthly.
When I say something bad to him, you judge me. How will you come up with 23 million? Didn't we calculate we only have 8 million?
No, that's right, but 10 million is from the deposit we got from Father, and there's the deposit from the house, which is 10 million, and you pitched in 3 million, which makes it 23.
Siroos, why do you say we only have 5 million?
Man, he's a kid. Why do you even listen to him? You know Bishan's right. Why do you talk when you don't know what you're talking about?
Wait a second. How much did you get for the house and shop deposit?
No, you wait a second. You didn't pitch in 6 million, you pitched in 3. Where's the other 3 million?
3 million, Terman. 3 million, Terman. 3 million. I put the other 3 million in the bank for a rainy day.
I put 15 million in the bank for a rainy day.
Wow, I'm the oldest child of my father, but I didn't know he has 3 million in his bank. If we want to work together, you have to be honest with each other. You have to put up all the money you have so we can figure out what we're going to do with it, you know? Uncle Siroos, don't leave your money in the bank. Withdraw it.
You should know that I'm not taking it all out of the bank. 3 million has to stay there.
That's not fair, Siroos, okay? We agreed on being honest with each other.
We've always been honest. We just have to be more honest now.
I agree.
Now, stop arguing. How much do we have altogether? Let's see. Father has 6 million, which you'll put up.
No, 5 million and a half.
Father, it's 6 million, which you will pitch in, right?
All right, I'll put in 6 million.
So, 6 million Father pitched in, you pitch in 10 million. We found about 20 offices with that price. I mean, how could you make us look around so much since morning?
Oh, why are you shouting?
You put 2 or 3 million in your pockets expecting to rent a place?
Get up. You two, get up and get us some tea. Go on. Get up, go.
Go on, it's ready now.
Get up and go get us some tea.
Father, it hurts. It hurts.
Why are you quiet, gentlemen? Well, say something.
When you say it's impossible, well, it must be impossible.
Give me that, dear. It's not that it's impossible, no. It's possible, you just have to pay rent.
No problem. What we're trying to say is that we want you to find us a place where we don't have to pay any rent. I'm listening now.
Yes. Look, if you guys are looking for an industrial building, well, that's the price. But there is something that you can do. It's not strictly above board, but,
Can you tell us what it is we can do?
Look, gentlemen, your company's not registered, is it?
No. Our company hasn't been registered.
Look, can you just give me that, thank you? Why didn't you tell me in the beginning? It's better, because you'll have less problems.
Well, are you serious? So what should we do now?
Just look. What's the job? What kind of company do you want to set up?
Let me tell you
The company
then,
you see we want to set up provides all kinds of services, from home shopping to taking care of the old to...
Giving massages.
Cutting hair,
Uncle
something
Siroos,
like...
I'm not done. Don't interrupt me. I keep forgetting what I wanted to say, you know, please.
Go on then, please.
Why don't you go on, please?
That's all.
How about your going and coming? Is it a lot or a little?
No, look,
Nothing. We don't go and come at all. Most of our job is business. I mean, well, we do
Put
it on
your
the phone.
hand down for a second. I'm speaking here. You need to wait your turn. That's
Father,
what I'm
you
saying.
remember
Come
when
on.
I told you not to bring Jules and Julia?
Hey, sir. How many personnel do you have? You go ahead.
Uncle Siroos, you tell him.
You tell him?
No, you love speaking so much. Why did you tell him? I'm not going to say a word. Go ahead.
You won't say a word now.
Go on,
Go on already.
All right, sir.
I think we're 8 people. Me, Father, Uncle Siroos, with my aunt and my mother. Yes.
I've told you 100 times not to drag your mother and aunt into this.
Father!
You drive me mad whenever you say it.
We can't discuss anything here, can we?
Gentlemen, you can fight later, can't you?
Sir, I'm sorry. I don't mean to offend you, but what kind of idiot would bring their wife to work? Please, why don't you tell me that?
He doesn't mean to offend you.
As a matter of fact, my wife and daughter are working in the agency. Now, you see, these days, everyone has to work to make ends meet, myself and my family. I mean, there are so many problems that if you only make less than 1 million a month, you can't make it, you know? If, God forbid, you get sick and go to hospital, oh, dear God. I mean, have you ever thought how much it actually takes to make it nowadays?
Yes, I agree. Life is really difficult. Now, if you could solve our problem, you'll be doing us a huge favor.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. When I talk about expenses and costs, I forget everything, so, where were we? So what were we talking about?
You were going to come up with a solution for us.
Uh-huh. A solution, of course. I wanted to say, instead of renting an office, how about you guys, you go and rent a house?
Well, how is it really possible?
Of course it is. I've rented 1,000 places like this, and the people in them are working. But the leases are for residential, you see?
Will we be getting into any kind of trouble?
You won't get into any trouble whatsoever, but you have to be careful. If a tax collector or anyone else comes there, you have to say you're living there with your family.
What about the neighbors? Will they say anything?
Don't worry about them at all. Don't worry about them at all. Because I've gone and found you a great place already.
Is our money enough or is it not?
It's exactly the price of the money that you have. Oh, for the love of God, stop playing with this!
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, look, like I was saying, your money's enough. It's a price you want. If you want to, you can go and see it right now. If you like it, we'll come back here and write the lease.
Let's go.
No way.
Let's go. Let's go, yes.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Get up already.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go, can we?
Let's go.
You know where it is. You go ahead. We'll follow you.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So how's it? I'm talking to you.
Oh, sorry.
I said, how's it?
Oh, sir, thank you. I'm fine. Thank you.
I didn't mean, how are you? I meant, how do you like the apartment?
Sir, God bless you. Thank you very much. It's absolutely perfect. Absolutely.
I told you you'd like it.
Sir, I have a question, sir. Are you sure the neighbors are not going to have a problem with us being here?
Nah, this is the uptown. Last week, in one of the apartments around here, an old man, poor thing, had died for a week. Just lying there dead for a week.
Who?
An old man.
Oh.
Yeah, the poor man had died, but no one knew until his children came and actually found him dead.
Oh, shame.
Yeah, no, up here no one talks to anyone.
Oh, dear. You mean, sir, they don't even care who comes and goes here?
It's none of anyone's business. Don't worry, eh?
Okay. So we'll take it then. It's perfect.
Close that mouth of yours.
He's right. Let the grown-ups do the talking. Go ahead, sir.
Okay, we'll take it. It's perfect.
That's exactly what your son said.
Listen, buddy. Don't interfere in me and my son's business.
He's right. Why do you even care about what I said?
Okay, think about renting it very carefully. When you go ahead and sign the lease, then change your minds. You'll have to pay the rent for 1 month extra as penalty. You hear me?
We hear you.
Okay,
we hear
okay.
You.
So what do you say? We have a deal?
Congratulations.
Congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations.
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 Oh, you idiot. Now you idiot.
Every
Watch
time,
it.
man.
Does it only have one toilet yet?
Yes,
It's got
Let's
one
go.
toilet.
Okay.
Let's go.
After
Let's
you.
go, guys.
Your hands are like stone, you know that?
The neighborhood's cool.
Get lost, stupid.
Excuse me.
Go
After
ahead.
you. After you.
After you.
After
After you,
you.
please. Yes. You
go
better
ahead,
watch it when
please.
you're talking to my son.
زندگی یعنی همین که اگه داری یا نداری حق تو بگیری اما حق و زیر پا نذاری زندگی یعنی همین که اگه قهری اگه آشتی با تو باشم اگه داشتم بمونم اگه نداشتی من و تو هر جا که باشی اگه پایین اگه بالا ممکنه جامون عوض شه دیر و زود فردا یا حالا زندگی پس زندگی کن نگو سخته نگو دیره بگی ساده ساده میشه بگی سخته سخت میگیره دنیا دور از دار و نداره آدم میگرده دیروز امروز فردا دنیا با ما بی ما میگرده زندگی یعنی همین که اگه داری یا نداری حق